everyone, Namaste. We are JSW Steel Group and our tagline is Better Every Day. Let's start. Our team is JSW Innovators. We are from JSW Steel Coated Products Limited, Wasin. Sri Opechinder sir is our founder. Our group present in different sectors like paint, steel, cement, infra, sports, and we are from steel sector. This is process flow for our company. We get cold roll material from upstream like Dolvi and Vijayanagar. We cold roll it in PLTCM and reduce the thickness from 6 mm to as per customer requirement. Then we use that raw material for our galvanizing line and color coating line. Right? This is galvanizing line process where we apply zinc coating on the steel surface to avoid the corrosion of the steel. And these are the outline areas where we focus area where we work in this project. Next, this is our team. Myself, Deepak Nikam, the team leader.
Aarti Joshi, team member. Pallavi Singh, team member.
Our project team is
Improvement of mechanical property in zero spangle EDD grade.
we started our project in March and completed in October.
With 96% of attendance and 14 numbers of fitting.
Next. We used 12-step method to complete our project. First step is identification of the problem.
So before identification the problem, I would like to say the story behind it. So JSW is always looking for better opportunity and new product development. So zero spangle is also a new product development that we have produced. We have successfully delivered to 30,000 tonnage to the customer. But something went wrong because we get some complaint about the zero spangle EDD grade. So our team have decided to overcome this problem to following 12-step methodology of quality circle. So here I come. The first step is identification of problem. So in identification of problem, by the use of brainstorming technique, we total identify 40 numbers of problems.
Next step is selection of the problem.
आफ्टर आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम हमने 40 नंबर्स प्रॉब्लम को आइडेंटिफाई किया, जिसको हमने ABC कैटेगरी में कैटेगराइज किया. ए कैटेगरी प्रॉब्लम को जो हम खुद से सॉल्व करते हैं, बी कैटेगरी की प्रॉब्लम जो हम अदर डिपार्टमेंट की हेल्प से, और सी कैटेगरी प्रॉब्लम जो हम टॉप मैनेजमेंट की हेल्प से सॉल्व करते हैं. हमने बी कैटेगरी प्रॉब्लम में पाया 18 नंबर्स की प्रॉब्लम्स, जो कि हमने हमारा न्यू प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट था उससे रिलेटेड था. इसलिए हमने बी कैटेगरी प्रॉब्लम को एनालिसिस किया, उसको रैंकिंग मैट्रिक्स के थ्रू पे, और हमने मटेरियल पैकिंग को फर्स्ट नंबर पे प्रायोरिटी दिया.
Our next step is definition of the problem. Before defining the problem, we have made our project charter and get approved by the top management. Then while developing the new product, we got many customer complaints. So we visited the customer's plant and observed their process. We are providing material in coil form. The customer at service center blanking it as per their size and shape and using it in die and punch. Where while metal drawing, our material is getting cracked. So we visited the plant and checked if there is any problem in their die or punch. There is no problem, and we found out that our competitors' material are working well in that same die and punch. So we conclude that there is a problem in our material. These are some pain areas because the customer is holding our material, and in our line also as a corrective action we are reducing the speed and degrading the material. So while degrading, we are taking loss about 30,500 per ton, and there is production loss about 5 to 10 ton per hour. Next step is analysis of the problem.
After defining the problem, as we all know that problem is zero spangle EDD grade metal cracking, and EDD grade is extra deep drawing grade, which is used for appliances, which is very critical for us. Then we analyze this problem by the using of control chart, and here we plot our data by the comparison with our benchmark with our competitors. And here we can see that our various ranges 195 to 215 megapascal, that is observed metal cracking in our EDD grade material, while the other hand our competitor YS ranges 150 to 180 megapascal, and there is no cracking issue in bare material. Then we again did data analysis by the use of histogram, and here we observed that YS range 180 and above percentage compliance is 73%. Then we again analyzes the problem by the 5W1H method, and problem is our zero spangle EDD grade material, and when our customer doing forming and drawing, then it is observed, and we and our customer is also very affected by the problem. By the reducing of high mechanical property, we can overcome it. That's it.
Next step is identification of the causes.
आफ्टर एनालिसिस ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम हमने ब्रेन स्टॉर्मिंग किया अपने प्रोडक्शन टीम के साथ, और हमने कुछ कॉजेज को आइडेंटिफाई किया, जैसे कि हमारे सिलेक्शन ऑफ रॉन्ग HR ग्रेड, KLL का इलॉन्गेशन हायर साइड, SPM का लोड हायर साइड होने की वजह से हमने प्रॉपर्टी जो थी हमारी हायर साइड आ रही थी, और उसको हमने कॉज एंड इफेक्ट डायग्राम के थ्रू 4 में डिवाइड किया, मैन मशीन मटेरियल मेथड.
Next step is root cause analysis. Here for validation of the root cause we use VIVA analysis. In machine related problem we found out 4 causes which are
Valid.
next metal related we found out 3 causes as well.
Valid.
In method related, in man related we found out 1 cause as a valid. Next step is data analysis.
After root cause analysis, we do data analysis by the use of scatter diagram, and at this analysis we found that we have total 3 major factors which are directly affected to our mechanical property of zero spangle EDD grade. First is SPM elongation, second is TLL elongation, and third is furnace temperature.
Next step is development of the solution. Till now we have found out 3 major parameters which are affecting the mechanical properties. So we done brainstorming with our production team, and over the 3 parameters we discussed that how we can control this parameter and decide the target, and how to achieve that. Then for any improvement we need the parameters which are measurable. If they are measurable, then we can improve. Then there will be some indication in our production line, so that we can view that values the trend. So for this parameter these are measurable and there is indication available, so we can control it. Next step is foreseeing problem or resistance.
क्या डेवलपमेंट ऑफ सोल्यूशन के बाद हमें इम्प्लीमेंट करना इतना आसान था?
नहीं, we got many resistance for implementation of the improvement point. So such like that, if we increase the furnace temperature, so production team told that the fuel consumption will increase, and while reducing the SPM and TLL tension, while controlling the tension, then there will be a strip breakage, then production loss. So we convinced the team that now our company's reputation is at risk because customer is not satisfied, and we need to take action. Through the top management level approval, we got green signal for this. Then next step is trial implementation and checking the performance.
After foreseeing probable resistance step, we do trial implementation by the using of PDCA approach. In this approach, first of all we make a plan with the production team, then we do successfully trial in our line, and then we check mechanical property at the end by the help of quality team, and then we ensure the mechanical property is okay, then we make protocol as well as SOP, and if it is not okay, when we do repeat cycle again and again when it came in within the range. Then we, after successfully trial implementation, we check performance, and this is the improvement point that we have indicated in this slide. Before furnace temperature is 770 degrees centigrade, and after it 823 degrees centigrade. Before SPM elongation is 2.94%, and after it is 1.42%. Before TLL elongation is 0.59%, and after it is 0.01%, and as a resultant we can see that before YS is an average 211 megapascal, and after implementing all the points we have received YS 168 megapascal, which we have required.
The next step is review performance.
जैसा कि हमारे कलीग आरती ने बताया बताया कि हमने इम्प्लीमेंटेशन किया और हमने कुछ तो उस बेसिस पे हमने कुछ डेटा एनालिसिस किया और उसको हमने हिस्टोग्राम के थ्रू एनालिसिस किया। हमने पाया कि हमारा जो 94% था 94% मटेरियल का वाईएस हमारा 180 से बिलो था और जो हमारा हार्डनेस था वो 41 से अभी 38 HRD था। और हमने ये कुछ हमारा कंपैरिजन चार्ट है जो कि बिफोर और आफ्टर है, जिसमें हमने देखा कि हमारा जो मैकेनिकल प्रॉपर्टी पहले 74% का वाईएस 180 से अबव था और अभी उसका परसेंटेज 4.6 है और हमारा जो वाईएस था वो 25% अबव था पहले और अभी वो हमारा 0 है। और हमने कुछ कॉस्ट सेविंग अप्रोक्सीमेट किया है जिसमें हमने पाया कि हमारा जो मैकेनिकल प्रॉपर्टी हायर साइड ज़्यादा था उसको हमने डिग्रेड करते थे जिसकी वजह से हमें 3500 का लॉस होता था पर टन। उसको हमने कॉस्ट सेविंग किया जिसमें हमें मंथली इसका कॉस्ट सेविंग मिला 56.45 लाख पर मंथ और जिसका अप्रोक्सीमेटली 6 लाख करोड़ पर ईयरली जा सकता है।
After some cost saving, we found out some intangible benefits also. Some intangible benefits also, because initially while developing new product development, our product is getting cracked at the customer end, so the customer losing faith in our product and we are also losing our confidence. So after the implementation of the project, our material is getting okay feedback from the customer, so there is a trust building and our company's reputation is also at risk that now we are holding. And about personal development, we develop our communication skill, presentation skill, and our production team, which is losing our confidence because the first development material we are getting rejected by the customer. So now they are happy and they are confident to develop more projects. These are some quality tools we are used to complete our project. Cycle diagram,
histogram,
Stratification,
brainstorming,
PDCA cycle,
web analysis,
process flow,
5W1H analysis.
cause and effect diagram.
ranking.
Thank you.
Thank you.
अच्छा अगर अच्छा you are comfortable in English and Hindi both now?
Yes, yes.
अच्छा, if there are some faults in your presentation, so marks will not be